Hey guys, what's up? It's ARA and welcome to my YouTube channel. First and for all, have you subscribed to my channel yet? If not, click on the subscription button down below and the notification bell for you to be notified on my next one. So in today's video, as you can see on the title, I will be showing you my own version of the Korean glass skin makeup look. So when you say glass skin makeup look, it's really, for me, it's really all about the skincare and also about the highlighters that you apply to your face. So first of all, this is my bare face. See? So I already did my skincare. So speaking of skincare, guys, I deleted my skincare routine since I got copyrighted. So I didn't have a copy because I'm just shooting with my phone. Just a 16 GB memory I uploaded on YouTube. I need to delete everything for me to kanang shoot for the next since wala na my memory, and also I don't have a laptop. So everything's done through my phone. So kato, it's gone forever. So comment down below if you want me to reshoot everything, the skincare routine, so that I could share it with you guys. Before anything else, don't expect much sa akong makeup because these are all just kanang presyong estudyante. And some of these are also just hand-me-downs from my sisters, but I don't mind. I actually like it. So if you want to know my own version of the Korean glass skin makeup look, please keep on watching. So this is also a no foundation. Kanang di ko mag-foundation. So this is my base. As what I've mentioned, this is the Nivea Sun Protect and White. So muna siya akong base. So first of all, I wanna show you my skin. Like, can you see the veins? Yeah. So I'm not gonna hide that with concealers for it to look more natural. So first is the concealer. So let's conceal some of the acne scars, but I'm not gonna cover my veins for it to look more natural. And don't judge me because I only use my hands. Aside from I don't have a sponge, I really prefer to use hands, my fingers lang. Okay, so what's left on my fingers is I'm gonna apply it on my eyelids for it to look more awake. And also, I slept at 4 a.m. last night, guys. I think I really need to conceal my eye bags. Actually, in my case, I don't really have like the panda eyes, kanang murag mag-dark bitaw. However, ako murag muburot bitaw kanang murag the cup, murag, what do you call this? Murag cup daw. I don't know. Next is the eyebrows. I use the Fashion Brow Maybelline New York. Oh, see, presyong estudyante. So for brows, I use this one, the gel one. So for the brows, let's not make it too dark for it to look more natural. That looks a bit bulbed. See? So can you see the difference? Really not much of a difference. Like, medyo nag-brown lang siya for it to kanang magpantay bitaw sa akong hair color. Don't judge me because I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I know lang how to use makeup. Since I've also been in the pageant and modeling industry, so I think this is one of the things that you will learn in that industry. I mean, di ko professional beauty queen and model ha, like model lang. So that. Okay, so this is just a hand-me-down from my sister Joanne. So I'm not really sure of the shade. So for me, I brush my eyebrows upward. Next is this one, the one that I used for my brows. You also put it on your eyelids to make your eyelids look more awake, but don't put too much, like kamay lang, just a little bit lang yun. So count 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, can you really see the difference? Like, girl. Actually, my favorite kanang part when you do makeup, like when you when you curl your lashes, like I really feel so beautiful when my lashes are already curled. See? Char. GGSS ka, girl. Next is you put blush on. So for me, I put blush on here, sa nose and chin. So I use KJM Cheek and Lip Tint in the shade Bittersweet Magenta. So, mao ba akong giingon kanina? This makeup look, my own version, is really a presyong estudyante. Like, girl, I don't even have the proper like tools, like the proper brushes, sponges to use when apply makeup. But hey, I wanna be real. This is reality. This is really what I'm doing. I only use my fingers to apply makeup, so I'm showing it to you. Okay, so did it made a difference? Okay. Next is don't judge me. So this is my highlighter. Actually, this is not a highlighter. This is an eyeshadow, and also a hand-me-down from my sister Joanne again. This is the Kate Tokyo Brown Shade Eyes Fake Shade Powder. Okay, so I can't read it because it's in Japanese. So, basta anyway, it's this one. Again, this is really the one essential to have this glass skin look, the highlighter. But don't copy me. If you have a better highlighter, I'm sure you have a better highlighter than me, so use that. But for me, I use this one. So you apply here sa nose tip, and also on your nose bridge. And you may also apply. Oh! What the F? I accidentally. Wait. Where's the tint? Oh, where's the tint though? Oh my god, bulabog kayo. And also, you may also apply here. You see? Girl. That's it for my Korean glass skin makeup look. So guys, if you have any vlog suggestions, please feel free to comment it down below. Or you may also message me on my social media accounts because I value your suggestions good. And also, as what I've mentioned, I deleted my skincare routine. So if you want me to reshoot everything, I will really do it for you. Balik. So comment down below also if you want me to reshoot and upload again. So if you reach this part of the video, please know that it means so much to me. Like, thank you so much. If only I could hug you. And that's it. Thank you so much, everybody, and I'll see you on my next one, okay? So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you!
Guys, so while I was editing this video, I realized that I forgot to keep my promise. Like, sa akong last vlog, like, sa comment section, I realized that I forgot to say hi to Amanda Galarion. So thank you so much for watching. Like, it really, really means a lot to me. So thank you! And hi again!